Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add voice in Higgsfield AI. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Higgsfield website in your browser. On the home page, hover over the video menu and select Lip Sync Studio. This opens the workspace where you can create talking AI videos from a single image. Next, upload the image you want to animate. For the best results, use a clear, front-facing photo with good lighting so the facial features are easy to detect. Wait for the upload process to finish before moving to the next step. After that, select the audio feature of your choice. You can either select the audio text option or the generate audio feature. For audio text, in the text field, enter the script or prompt you want the AI character to speak. Keep the text clear and specific to get more natural results. You can also describe the scene, lighting, or mood to improve the final output. Now, choose the desired model for a balance between quality and rendering speed. Then, adjust the video duration and resolution based on your needs. Once everything is ready, click Generate to create your video. So that's basically how you can add voice in Higgsfield AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.